iOS 18 comes with many features, but what if some of the features like screen recording is missing? Don't worry. First thing that you are going to do is to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen in order to open the control center of your device, where you can see many different options. Here you will also see a screen recording button which looks like a dot in a circle. Currently it's red and white, which indicates that I am recording my screen, but when the screen recording is off, the button is black and white. When you tap on the screen recording button, it will start a little countdown from 3, which will give you time to prepare your screen before it starts to record. Now what if the screen recording button is missing from your control center, and you cannot record your screen? Don't worry. What you are going to do is simply tap on the little plus button in the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on the Add a Control option in the bottom of the screen. A control center menu page will open where you can see a bunch of different options, and here we need to find the screen recording button and just tap on it. After you tap on it, it will be added back to your control center so you can use it normally to record your screen after that. If this tutorial was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more similar tutorials. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comment section down below, and I will come back to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.